If you've ever created an image in Leonardo AI and wanted to recreate the exact same result, or at least get much closer to it, then knowing how to find the seed is incredibly useful. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the seed in Leonardo AI step by step, so you can copy it, reuse it, and better control your image generation workflow. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, go to Leonardo AI and head over to the image generation section. This is where all of your generated images live, and it's also where you'll find the details you need for each creation. Once you're in image generation, look through your generated images and find the specific image you want to inspect. If you have a lot of images, scroll carefully and open the one you're trying to match or recreate. Click the image to open it in a larger view or in the detailed preview panel. After the image opens, take a moment to look around the options that appear on the screen. Leonardo AI usually displays useful generation information alongside the image, and this is where the seed data can be found. You want to check the options and details connected to that image, because the seed is part of the generation settings that help define the result. Now look for the option that says Copy Seed. This is the key step. Once you see it, click Copy Seed, and Leonardo AI will copy that seed value to your clipboard for you. From there, you can paste it into a new generation prompt or save it for later use. Using the same seed can help you reproduce a similar composition, style, or overall image structure, especially when combined with the same prompt and settings. If you want the closest possible match, try to keep the prompt, model, aspect ratio, and other generation settings the same as well. The seed alone can be very helpful, but the full combination of settings is what gives you the best chance of recreating the look you want. So, to recap, go to image generation, open the image, check the options, and choose Copy Seed. That's all it takes to find the seed in Leonardo AI. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Leonardo AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.